আমি মোহাম্মদ মঈনুদ্দিন সোহেল। আমি একজন দৃষ্টি প্রতিবন্ধী ব্যক্তি। আমি এখন পাঠ করব পঞ্চম শ্রেণীর ইউনিট 20 অধ্যায় লাইফ ইজ বিউটিফুল লেসন 1 থেকে 6 পর্যন্ত। আপনাদের সামনে আমি এখন পাঠ করব লেসন 1 and 2, Braille, printed by Christy Trust. Listen and read. It's a beautiful spring day. Maria gets up happy. She feels happy. She knows that is a nice day because she puts her hand on the glass of the window. It is very warm. She opens the window and the singing of the birds fills the room. She can smell the flowers outside her home. They smell sweet and fresh. After Maria gets dressed and has her breakfast, she puts her books in her bag. She is ready for school. Picture Maria, a person with visual disabilities. A student is getting ready to go to school by herself. Maria is a lot like any other students in her neighborhood. She goes to school and likes to be with her friends, but Maria cannot see the beautiful spring day. She cannot see the flowers, the blue sky, or the singing birds. She cannot see the new green leaves on the trees. She cannot see this because she is a person with visual disabilities. Girl, she has been unable to see since she was born. Picture Maria is walking on her own with a right can. Her two classmates are telling her about various things around the road. Life is beautiful, lesson 3 and 4. But Maria is happy. She goes to school every day. She can learn the information because she reads Braille. Braille is a script dots uses writes dots. Each letter is made from dots. People move their fingers across the raised dots to read. Maria learned to read Braille as a young child. Her books at school are in Braille. She enjoys reading poems and history. Maria's teacher says that she is a good learner. Picture: Maria is reading a braille book in the classroom by herself. Life is beautiful. Lesson 5 and 6. Listen and read. Maria hopes to go to university one day. Her teacher think that she can. Maria wants to set up a school of her own so that she can teach person with visual disabilities children. Before this, Maria wants to be a writer. She wants to write a book about her feelings and experiences. She wants to show other person with visual disabilities people that she can do amazing things in their lives. Picture: Maria is writing about her feelings and experiences on the computer using NVIDIA software by herself. সবাইকে ধন্যবাদ।